Continuing on with Chapter 8, we have a section about consumption and affluence. Now, affluence means, again, how rich and how much stuff you buy. In the United States, we consume so much materials and we buy so many things, and we are very affluent. And so we talk about this on page 237 under the wealth gap. So again, this is the section wealth gap. We have a couple of terms. Affluenza means that, again, how much money and stuff you buy. Rich countries use too many resources or stuff. And half of the world lives in extreme poverty at less than $2 a day. And it shows you a couple pictures here of American versus a family in Egypt. And page 238, we talk about the impact of HIV on population growth. So HIV/AIDS has dramatically affected Africa's population. It has produced a lot of orphans. Both parents have died from HIV. It has lowered the life expectancy in African countries. And because of that, if your older people, the people that are dying from HIV/AIDS are your productive workers, 20 and 30 and 40-year-olds. They're not out there working, they're not out there growing food, and so your income and food decline. And then also it's a loss of productive household members. So you have very old people, you have very young people, and which don't make a lot of money, and so it causes some very serious problems in African countries. And the last sticky note for this chapter is on page 240. We have a term here called demographic fatigue. And this is where governments face overwhelming challenges with population growth. Providing enough jobs, providing education, and providing health care is a challenge with too many people. And then we have this term, demographic fatigue. This is not the U.S., but this is other countries. Mexico's one of these, your African countries. They just don't have the infrastructure to support all of the people that they have. That's the end of sticky notes for Chapter 2.